Hey, welcome back to M&M. I have decided to try making the very trendy frothy coffee today. The recipe I followed is linked in the description. So I started off with 5 tablespoons of instant coffee, then added 5 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of hot water for some reason, but equal parts of all 3 would work just fine. Then I just kept whipping the coffee until my arm was about to fall off. I think it turned out pretty good. It was creamy, frothy, very light, but had a strong coffee taste, which I liked.